Well, here's another one that's coming out of Asda. I thought they'd risk it, but all it takes could be emergency services or anything that needs to get the other way. Silly. Aye, this next one coming into Asda in this big white van, you know, rather than using his common sense and just saying go on, off you go, let me through, he decides to turn round, completely blocks the road. Other driver now can't go anywhere, stops me from coming. Just ignorance, and we wonder why, you know, you get build up with traffic and that.
Okay?
Just, it has caused chaos. Absolutely crazy stuff.
Let me out.
Absolutely. So this is somebody else as well, just simply pulling out. I just don't understand why, but look at that.
I've just been near a fucking collision. I don't know what the fuck's happened there. 2 sausages from me dashcam page. 2 sausages there. Roll up to the market. Get your fucking sausages.
And here's another one, another cyclist with no lights on at all. He's just there. I say I just can't understand it. Just don't understand why they're not bothered about the safety.
These stupid delivery drivers.
And it's them delivery drivers mostly.
One of these days they're going to get knocked out like sausages. Honest God. Really, the driver's fault if they get hit now.
This is another one, simply just ignorance causing problems. It's a very busy junction coming up. There's always big vehicles wanting to turn right, especially buses coming up. Just fast forward it a bit. Maybe fast forward it a bit more, but there we go. I mean, there's the huge box junction that tells you not to pull in front of it, and look what he does. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Like I say, that's why you get tailbacks everywhere and traffic jams, because people just don't allow other traffic to flow. You know, bus driver could be running late for passengers. Going to be even more late now because of idiots.
I've got a YouTube
crazy.
Dashcam silly sausages. I just record all the idiots.
But this happens all over the city of Carlisle. You can't go anywhere. That's so does my napper right in that, like. Here's another one, another lane blocker. Block them, well, me coming through. Notice the lights ahead are on green, and I'm just going to stop right here. And there is a keep clear sign, what he's right on top of. Stupid. And here's another one. Blocking the lane. They just didn't think. I mean, yes, if you're on green lights, but read the situation. It's like if you can't get anywhere and the lights are going to change to green on the other sequences, the other set of lights, you're going to stop traffic from coming through.
No, Christmas Day and Boxing Day off for me.
And I see this all the time, and this is a busy junction without any hold-ups. And sometimes this causes like a quarter of a mile tailback because the driver's doing this, if not more, a half a mile tailback right up the other end of the 2 main roads behind us.
Because it's late night shopping tonight.
So we go forward and we can't go anywhere. you know what I mean? And this is one of the main culprits why the traffic build-up is bad around Colgate area, because drivers do this all the time.
These idiots that just block your lane. What a sausage. Yeah, alright.
This one's just a like before, risking it. He just kind of put his foot down and says, "The hell with you lot, I'm just going straight through." Some say he had miles of room, but on dash cam, honestly, it's a lot closer in real life. Here's another one. Spot the cyclist.
No lights on his bike, knocked over.
Not even any reflective markings on his clothes or anything.
I would want to be lit up like a blinking lighthouse. Tell you when I've got a bike.
Once again, there's another cyclist here. A grey, dark day. Just camouflaged with the background. I just don't understand it. I mean, yes, you can see it, but how weird, man. Just black from top to bottom.
No lights on his bike again.
No lights either, and it was darker than what the dash cam makes it look. Well, the dash cam makes it look like it, but it was quite dark. And surprise, surprise, he's another cyclist.
There he is, look! What a sausage. Yes, everybody can see me. I love my safetiness on the road. Party.
Once again, another cyclist. Or one of these moped cycle things. I think this guy was on his mobile phone as well.
Some lights on your bike, your sausage, and he's on his phone.
Yeah, on his phone. Not bothered, are they? Yeah, this is a driver, obviously build up with traffic, but I would have creeped out. I know they can't see, and that's why I slowed down here. But I would have creeped out a lot slower than what that car did there.
Not even a wave on out.
Passenger opening his door, or the driver should have said not looking. I mean, I was slowing down anyway, but the fact he didn't even look.
Blood out, come pissing out.
You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, fucking sausage. Didn't even look, still hasn't looked.
Totally unaware. Oh, just can't be bothered. This happens loads on here, the box junction. You're supposed to keep this bit clear. This is a bus lane, and there was loads of cars blocking each other on the right round here as well. Honestly, look at them. Just cannot drive, can they? They're still beeping the horns down there. People just silly sausages. And this is a bunch of kids just not bothered about road safety at all. Right in the middle of the road. No attempt to move. They look at me as if to say, why is there a car on the road?
They're looking to say like, what's that car doing on that road?
This is another classic clip of just car in front just not indicating like I'm wanting to be in that other lane. Well, let the driver know, right?
Godlike.
Pathetic. This chap doesn't realise he's left his boot open, and I've seen this done a few times. Usually cars beep to let you know that your door's still open, but there we go. Hasn't a clue he's left that open. Weird. This is another driver not indicating for before. It's like, if you're wanting in, put your indicator on. I don't know what you're doing. Was he wanting in? Was he wanting? I don't know.
If that crap was actually indicating going to this lane, then that white car would have let you in.
just sitting there, I expect to be in, and I'm going to be pushing in here. It's like, well, let us know. Don't mind letting you in, but other drivers just don't know what you're doing. Yes, you're sticking and you're looking obviously you wanting to go into the lane, but you know, that orange thing called the indicator. Ignorant. This clip annoys me. Annoyed me at the time. Mother just doesn't even bothered about a kid. Playing on, this is a busy road, this is a recycling tip there and everything, just letting that kid go across the road on the toy. Just, you know, watch what your kids are doing.
Mother's just not bothered, are they? Eh?
Because there's drivers down there, that speed down here and all. Recipe for disaster. This is another one, classic indication.
At least 10 minutes, aren't you?
Well, people think it's mad what you're moaning about, but it's like, you're not going to pass your test driving like this. Is it laziness? There's another invisible cyclist here in the middle of the road. You can just about see him, look at that. Absolutely nutter.
Oh.
Once again, another cyclist here. There he is, he or she.
Well, freaking hell.
Just not bothered. There's a white van.
Alright,
I'm not going to stop.
2 sausages within 2 minutes I've got there. Well, less than that, 2 sausages in a minute. He gave us a little glint as well. Did you see that little look he gave us? Because he knew. And he was holding his phone as well. That is a real naughty sausage, that like.
Was he holding his phone? Let's have a look at this again. I think he was, you know. Let's have a look. Yeah, as you can see there, he was holding his phone. I know it looks like the steering wheel, but I wouldn't be saying it otherwise if I couldn't have clearly seen it. And there we are, DS roofing. Don't hold your phone when you drive, mate, because you can get into serious trouble. It's just another driver just not being observant at all. Wasn't aggressive beep, but it was just like to let them know.
You Christmas sausage!
Did apologise, but how are man?
Sausage.
Just have a look here. This is just world we're living in, being on mobile phones, trying to cross the road. Here we are.
Phone and look. Christ almighty.
We cannot live without our phones for a second, can we?
Sausage droids. Can I put our phones down for 30 seconds? Step onto a main road, aye. Put a step on the road, but I mean, my priority is to check a bit of Candy Crush, what's going on. I see how many people's posting a dinner on Facebook. Hell, we're being run over.
It's true, like,
God the hell!
And this made us laugh. A really horrible, wet, miserable day, and there must have been a leak and gutter here. And it kept soaking people walking under its path. Let's have a look.
Oh, I don't want any more service.
There we go, see it?
I said, there's no that's in there, that's disgraceful then, no, the bottle isn't it? Fucking hell. Must have a cup of
You got soaked. And then once again, absolutely soaking people.
Here, there's people, I've got wet sausages here. They're walking down, right?
That's funny. Bit of humour. It was a horrible day.